Snowboarding. Snowboarding. Used to be an avid snowboarder. I just go to Vancouver, Whistler. That's how I was introduced to poutines. Hey guys, my name is Stefan. I'm the co-founder of the Kroft. So this is the Kroft's first location. We opened May 31st, 2014. One of our main items that we serve at the Kroft are poutines. Poutine is a Canadian dish. It consists of French fries, gravy, and cheese curds, and integrating Japanese, Hawaiian, American dishes. What makes the Packing House cool? It was the one that started the trend. The Packing House was one of the forefronters of the food hall movement. Porchetta was one of our #1 sellers. Then we have our fried chicken sandwich, which was awesome, fried in buttermilk. Then we have our new ones, which is chicken parm. I mean, everything we make is house-made. The only two things we don't make in-house is our French fries, which we get custom made from Simplot, and our bread, which we get baked daily from Bread Artisan Bakery. And then we have our newly added items, which is our smash burgers. That has become our #1 seller. We'll slowly expand to locations we feel fit for us. The purpose of the Kroft is a two-part: give great food, but also be a part of the community.